Your smartphone can usually locate you within a few meters. But for surveying, mapping, construction, and Earth monitoring, a few meters of error can be a serious problem. Satellite signals travel through the atmosphere and are affected by timing errors, signal delays, and environmental conditions. To solve this problem, scientists use GNSS reference stations. A reference station is installed at a known fixed location and continuously receives satellite signals. Because its exact position is already known, it can calculate satellite errors in real time. These correction data are then sent to GNSS users and rover receivers. The rover applies these corrections and improves positioning accuracy dramatically. Modern RTK systems go even further. Instead of using only one reference station, CORS networks combine data from many reference stations across an entire country. By combining observations from many stations at the same time, users can achieve centimeter-level positioning almost anywhere. This technology powers surveying, drones, construction, Earth monitoring, and many other modern applications around the world.